Building a website for your trophy shop or your trophy store doesn't have to be expensive, and it certainly doesn't need to be complicated either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to create a simple website for your trophy shop. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. So make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week as well. Let's go ahead and search for our market, trophy shop. There it is. Let's go ahead and select that. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have users from all around the world. Let's click on continue and let Mighty Sites generate a website with that information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done it in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone, very professional. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the various trophies you have in stock in your shop that you're supplying to your customers. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, but perhaps you don't offer all those services and you just want to make it a little bit more personalized to your business. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know website coding. Even if you're not that tech savvy, you can do this all yourself. You don't have to hire any professionals to help you. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the basics. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that email address is visible, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Great. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way, and our address, our physical location. Great thing about it is when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address, be taken to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons for those social channels will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section, browse your device to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, if you'd like to make slight changes to it, cropping it, rotating it, add filters or frames, click on that pencil. Otherwise, click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to change it to suit your branding a little bit better, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available. You don't need to know any color coding. Literally just scroll through and select a color palette that suits your business best. Now for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it, the button. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device if you've got your own images already. Otherwise, search through that photo library, hundreds of professional looking images free for you to use. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all your Instagram photos. Under the update action section, you can change those buttons, the text on the buttons, as well as where the buttons link to, like call to action. You can even link to another website or upload a PDF file, which is a great option to upload your catalog and your various pricing and rates. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to here, can keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on the yellow connect your domain button. If you don't have a domain yet, but you really like one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, click on that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your trophy shop. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.